Day 10. Editing movies. Day 9 movies. No, I'm tired. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, cute naman. That was Tuesday.
Hoy, ba't wala kami? Ba't si Ate ang bilang at saka yung nandun?
Ayun, Wednesday.
Ha?
Hindi ko na ano yun. Ito, nasa video ka. Oh.
It's unfair.
Hello, Wednesday. You're so cute.
Baka naman kayong vlog na yun. Singami mo.
Let's see. Monday. Where's Monday? Monday. Say hi. Hi. Cute. You're cute. It's Sunday.
Yeah.
Day 10. We're about to eat again.
Guys, let's
There's the Chito. It's my Tito Chito. Hi, Tito. Hi.
Ilagay mo sa plato pati sausawan na to yun.
Lies.
Gets ka na dito.
Ooh.
Ramil. Mark.
Ganun pa na ako.
That's snakehead fish.
Yeah. This is chicken galantina.
Chicken galantina.
This is squash cooked in coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Alligator.
And fly lies.
Bago mo bagyo. Oo, nag-dryer ka ba? Oo, sampay ka. Para kayo kung nasa dito.
Eat chicken, chicken, chicken. Chicky, chicky. Chicky, chicky.
Dumito ka.
Dumito ka, kapatid.
Watching videos. Making videos.
Ayan o. Arap ka daw. Pose ikaw. Ano yung pose mo? Yung ganun.
Peace.
Ano yung pose ko?
Hey, please. One of our favorite pastimes. Well, my dad's favorite pastime. While we're here. Cards. What's it called? Pusoy?
Pusoy dos.
Pusoy dos. They're playing for money. Going for blood. We're lucky to find Wi-Fi anywhere we go. Are you stealing Wi-Fi? Yes, I am. It's pretty laid back today. Not doing much of anything. Just having a little fun with the family. Just having fun. Yeah. Moment I've been waiting for. Oh, that's balut. Ready? Ready. This is balut. We've only taken pictures of this, never a video. And this is how you eat it. It's the kind of stuff you see in Fear Factor. Opo, dito sa malapad. Alright, this is how you eat it. Ready? Crack it. Balut. It's a duck egg that's been fertilized for 3 weeks. Let's see. See it? Mmm, yummy. You get it? Alright, you crack it open like that, and then there's lots of juices in there. You have to drink it. Mmm, that's warm. Alright. There's the good stuff. There's the real good stuff. Kuya, you gonna eat one? No?
Oh, thank you.
Kuya Mark doesn't want any.
Not today.
Not today. When are we gonna eat this ever again?
Hindi sa sisi.
Ayun.
Yun hindi sa sisi. Sa sisi ko.
Wala ba namimigay ng pula dyan?
Pula. You're on your own.
Sa puti lang.
Mmm.
Ano para sa patigar?
No. Oh, he's here somewhere. There he is. See? Buck, 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 buck. Actually, it's more like quack, 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 quack.
Quack, quack.
Where's the beak? The beak is there somewhere. Chicken all.
Quack, quack, quack,
Oh,
quack.
That's my brother's turn. He's a pro at this.
Yeah, it's hot.
For the record, we bought 20.
Nice.
Mom, wish you were here. There it is. Oh, there he is. Do that again. Yummy. Ellen eating balut. Who else is eating balut? My dad eating balut. There we go. Hold on, wait. Okay, ready. Yummy.
Oh, that's good.
Ooh, yummy.
Get it?
You see this chick? Chow down, brother. Chow down.
That's vinegar.
That's vinegar. Yummy. Oops. Missed it.
Take the lead, yeah. Check.
Still
This is
going.
the highest.
Still gambling.
Yeah, no, this among the two, this is the highest. So of all the cards, this is the highest.
We are eating yet again. Surprise, surprise.